Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Susie and I recently started learning how to bake. And if I can figure out how to bake, I bet you can too. Today I'm making cut out sugar cookies. The reason why I love this recipe is because it's very simple and very easy to make, and you only need to put the cookie dough in the fridge for about an hour. I use sand sugar and sprinkles to decorate the cookies, but you can either skip decorations or you can decorate the cookies with icing. It's totally up to you, but regardless of what you do, these cookies are going to be delicious and buttery, and you won't be able to stop eating them. As usual, a full list of the ingredients will be in the description box, and with that, let's get started. Start by sifting powdered sugar into a large bowl and add softened butter and mix the sugar and the butter until they're well incorporated and look creamy. Next, add the egg, vanilla extract, and almond flavor, and keep mixing until everything comes together. After adding the egg, the mixture gets a little harder to mix, so just keep that in mind. Sift in the remaining ingredients into the bowl and mix with a spatula or wooden spoon. Again, it was a little tough to mix at this point, but a little bit of shoulder grease did the trick. Once everything is well mixed, wrap the dough into plastic wrap and place the dough in the fridge for about an hour or until it firms up a little bit but still soft enough to mold. If you're in a rush, you can place the dough in the freezer for about 30 minutes. When the dough is ready for shaping, preheat the oven to 350 degrees F. Lightly flour your countertop and roll the dough to about 3/8 of an inch. You don't really have to measure this, and you should be able to gauge by eye to determine if it's a good height. Before using your cookie cutter to cut the cookie into your desired shape, flour the cookie cutter to prevent it from sticking onto your dough. Place the cut-out cookies on a cookie sheet lined with parchment paper and space them about 1 inch apart. I needed 2 full cookie sheets for all of the dough, and I placed the first one in the fridge while I was working on the second one. So at this point, you can bake your cookies if you're not planning on decorating or using icing afterwards. But if you're using sprinkles like I am, you can go ahead and sprinkle before baking. It was hard getting some of the sprinkles to stick onto the dough, but after brushing the top of the dough with some water, that helped the sprinkles to stick onto the top of the dough. When you're ready, bake the cookies for about 9 to 10 minutes or until the edges are golden brown. After that, place the cookies on a cooling rack to let them cool. And there you have it, delicious, simple, and easy cut-out sugar cookies. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more baking videos from me. Thank you guys so much for watching. Happy holidays and happy baking. Bye guys.